Hello, in this video I'll show you how to see the queue number on your Ticketmaster. Now it's a very easy process. So just simply open your Ticketmaster and then just simply go to the ticket selection page, or if you have already bought a ticket, just simply go to that particular place. Then just simply choose the ticket, click on next, and then once you will be on the checkout page, what you will do is right click on your browser, go to inspect, then just simply click on I accept, and right over here just simply go to the sources panel and then just simply search for queue. So for doing that, just simply hold Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and that will bring the find option. Over here just simply type in queue and then hit enter. Now if there is any type of queue on your particular ticket, it will be shown right over here and it will show you your current queue number if there is any queue right over here. And as you can see, I have currently no queue, so it is not showing anything. But if you have anything, it will be shown right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.